hopefully a lot of you medium, large indie game developers monetize in this way as well. But there's many other ways to sell stuff. And if you look at Supercell, there's a huge demand for goods, merch, t-shirts, toys, Pekka statues, Archer statues. You sell a ton of stuff. So it's unbelievable the bond a game has with their players. Players love your games, whether you're indie or whether you're Supercell or whether you're well, anyone that makes games. If a user's playing your game daily, weekly, they love your games. They'll spend money on your merch. And so, but doing merchandise is difficult, or it used to be. So Shopify, as a commerce platform, I'll tell you what we actually do later, but we have an intricate relationship with games. Our CEO actually used to be a globally ranked StarCraft player. We all love games, and we want to help developers monetize and help players buy the cool stuff they want. And so, Supercell. So we all know, who knows Supercell? Everyone's hand should be up. Some of you hands aren't up, you're probably in the wrong room because this is a gaming room. Everyone knows Supercell. SoftBank owns a big piece of Supercell. So Clash Royale and Clash of Clans are the two biggest mobile games in the world. And so, of course, they sell a hell of a lot of gems, but what they also do is sell their stuff. So this is their web store, their net shop, or whatever we want to call it. And it's on Shopify. So one way we help game companies sell is we're the easiest platform to launch shops, internet shops, e-commerce shops, whatever. And with this, they're selling on Facebook, they're selling on Facebook Messenger, they're selling on Pinterest, Twitter, they're using this to pipe into Amazon, eBay. That's the power of Shopify. We help you sell everywhere. And this is their shop. But it's not just Supercell. Here's Snowman Games. Who's heard of Snowman? Oh, one. Of course, these guys here, which they don't count. But this is an indie developer, or a small-sized developer, Canadian, and their big game was Alto's Adventure. And so we help them, of course, to sell online as well. So this is their game. They have llamas in their games, which is a very Latin American, like a sheep from south of the border. I don't know. They make nice sweaters and hats. And they have llamas in their game. So they sell a lot of llama wool stuff and t-shirts on Shopify. But that's not the exciting part. Sure, we help anyone sell anything online. Any of you can start a store selling stuff. But what we want to do is make the purchasing of stuff in games better. So if you look at, I can't walk away with the mic, but if you look at the left side, this is how the situation is mostly now, right? You have your game, let's just use Alto's Adventure, and inside the game you sell in-app purchases, right? They don't have gems, but they have other stuff, right? So you can sell in-app purchases, things like gems. You know, everyone's tired of buying gems because it's like $100 for a bucket, and that's crazy, but people do it. And then they sell stuff like llamas and t-shirts on their net shop, web store, e-commerce site, whatever that I just showed you. But that's not the best experience, right? You have someone who's playing your game, you're involved, you're playing Alto's Adventure, and you're like, wow, I wish I had a cuddly llama, because we all want a cuddly llama. But it's hard to get. You have to log into your computer, go to either their Facebook store, their e-commerce site, whatever, do a whole separate checkout, leave the game. Once you stop playing, you kind of forget about your love of Alto. Not the best. So then what we've done and what we think the experience should be is we bring it all inside the game. You could buy your in-app purchases, your virtual goods, as well as physical goods. You know, that doesn't sound so crazy, but when you think about physical goods, it's difficult, right? You have to have goods to sell. You need to take payment gateways outside of just taking from your Steam account or whatever. You need shipping and logistics integrations. You need marketing. You need order management. You need inventory management. You need all the stuff that an e-commerce site does that video games don't natively do. And if you were to build it, it would not be worth your time, particularly if you're an indie developer and you're not sure how much merch you would sell. So then what have we done? So basically, we've released an SDK. Right now it's for Unity. So there's a